Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate two-factor authentication in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Facebook application. After that, make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you land on this home page, now navigate to the menu page by tapping on the profile icon along with the three-line icon at the top right corner of this interface. That will take you to menu page. Now again tap on gear icon from the upper right corner. That will take you to settings and privacy. Here scroll down a bit and tap on password and security. And again scroll down a bit and on your screen you will get an option as two-factor authentication. From there tap on use two-factor authentication. Then you will be taken to next page where you can select a security method. So there are three methods provided to you as authentication app or text message, that is SMS, or security key. So you can simply select the one that you prefer. You can either go with the authenticated apps or you can either go with text message or a security key. Here I will go with text message. So tap on there, then tap on continue. On next page you have to enter your valid phone number. So enter your phone number, then tap on confirm. Before you tap on confirm, make sure you go through all of these informations provided to you. Then tap on confirm. Now for the security, you have to re-enter your password to continue. So type in your correct password, then tap on continue. Now you will receive a 6-digit code on your mobile number. Once you get your mobile number, type in the correct code under this text box that says enter the 6-digit code. After that, type or tap on continue. Once you verified your two-factor authentication is on now, then tap on done, and for the next time you try to log in from a new device, you will receive a code on your mobile number. You have to enter that code, then only you will be able to log into your account. And that's how you activate two-factor authentication on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.